Using technology in recruitment. Leveraging AI and ATS for efficiency. Hello there, fellow recruiters. Welcome back to another insightful video. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's revolutionizing the recruitment landscape that is using technology in recruitment. As the job market continues to evolve, recruiters are faced with the challenge of finding top talent efficiently and effectively. With the rise of technology, the traditional methods of recruitment are becoming outdated and time-consuming. Sifting through stacks of resumes, scheduling interviews, and managing communication can be overwhelming for recruiters. That's where AI technology and ATS, applicant tracking systems, come into play. AI is changing the game by automating and enhancing various aspects of the hiring process. AI can analyze resumes, identify relevant skills, and even predict candidate suitability. ATS, on the other hand, organizes and centralizes candidate data, making it easy to manage and track applicants. This combination significantly reduces manual tasks and helps recruiters focus on what they do best, finding the perfect candidates. And that's where our game-changing recruiting software, Klimb, comes in. Let's dive right into how Klimb can streamline your hiring process easily. Klimb is a cutting-edge recruiting software that combines automation technology, deep recruiting knowledge and ease of use to redefine recruiting experience. It seamlessly integrates AI and ATS functionalities, offering a holistic solution to streamline your hiring process. With Klimb, you'll experience a range of benefits that will make your recruitment journey smoother than ever before. Let's take a closer look at some of the unique features Klimb offers. AI-driven resume screening. Klimb's AI-driven screening can quickly assess resumes, extracting essential information and evaluating candidates against predefined criteria. Automated interview scheduling. Klimb's automation capabilities help recruiters schedule interviews seamlessly, reducing the time spent on administrative tasks. Centralized candidate database. All candidate information is stored in one place, making it easy to search, track, and manage applicants. Collaboration tools. Klimb facilitates seamless communication among team members, allowing for efficient collaboration and faster decision-making. Data-driven insights. Klimb provides valuable analytics, offering insights into the recruitment process, assess your sourcing channels, and optimize your strategy. Ready to take your recruitment process to the next level? Then experience the efficiency and effectiveness of Klimb today. Visit our website to learn more about Klimb, www.klimb.io. Or get a free demo of Klimb today. Link is given in description below. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. See you in another insightful video. Happy hiring!